Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing very well. Just want to give you guys a quick update. There's been a lot of changes since the last week. Your teachers are very busy this week with lots of professional development. We are finding new creative ways to educate you and keep you learning while you're at home. We're learning. Wednesday and Thursday, we're in meetings all day long, learning new things that we can help you with the following week. So that's pretty much the reason why we're not having a Google Hangout tomorrow, is because I'm going to be very busy with meetings. With that said, I want to give you guys some updates as to how we're going to be moving forward. First off, I want to tell you that our quarter three is going to end this Friday. What that means is, if you don't have like some sort of assignments that are in, um, you should be looking at Power School right now, checking to see what you don't have in. Um, you can take a picture of those, you can email those to me, and I can get those into Power School before the end. Now, I am stopping it at chapter 8, the test. And I told you I didn't want to hurt your grade, so therefore, anyone who received less than an 80%, I'm just not going to put your score in because I have a feeling it might just jeopardize your test, your overall grade. So you're off the hook on that one because there really wouldn't be any way for you to um, make up those test corrections anyway. Okay, so we're going to count that chapter 8 test as like it's not there. If you got over an 80%, I kept that in there for you. Um, and you can talk to me too if you feel like your test actually made your grade go down. Let's say you got a B on your test, but you're an A student. So if that went down, you let me know. I'll take that out. It's totally up to you, okay? I don't want to hurt anyone's grades at all. That's not the point of this, okay? All right. But either way, it ends this Friday, so you have to get your stuff in. You know, this falls on you now, okay? So make sure you're looking at Power School. Starting on Monday, we are starting fresh. This is going to be like our quarter four. And how this is going to work is that I'm going to start putting stuff into Power School. Now, when I put Power into Power School, I'm going to put the assignments that I'm giving you through Google Classroom. But when you do an assignment, it's either going to be collected or it's going to be missing, okay? So you're going to have about a week or so to get that in. So I'm going to assign things. I'll have everything that you're going to be getting on Monday, no later than noon. My goal is to have it into Google Classroom and It's Learning and what all you need to be doing by Sunday is my goal that weekend, so that you're ready, fresh and ready to go on Monday. Uh, so I lost my train of thought. But either way, you have one full week. You have the start of Monday all the way till Sunday at midnight. Once the next morning, I'm going to be looking at that, or I should say the next morning. So I guess if you're a night owl, I guess you could do it throughout the night. I'm not going to, as long as it's in. But starting on Monday, I'm going to be checking to see, did you do your work for that last week? If you did it, you're just going to get the credit for it. For the most part, I'll probably be providing you some sort of feedback on your work, how well you did, maybe it's you got it, but there's still improvement that you could be working on. If you didn't turn it in by Sunday, I'm gonna mark missing. Now, after that, I'm gonna keep moving forward. So if you're not doing your assignments, you're gonna have all these missing assignments, and then maybe you go back into and say, okay, well, I missed all these assignments, I gotta do it. Well, you gotta let me know because I'm gonna keep moving forward. It's gonna be really hard for me to track that. So you have to let me know, hey, Miss Byerly, I turned in the assignment from week one. Maybe we're on week 4 at that point. You have to be talking to me about that if you're late. And if it is getting turned in late, I am going to put collected into Power School, but I'm also going to hit the button that says late. It shows me and it shows your parents that, yeah, you did the homework, but you are doing it a delayed, you're doing it delayed and you're not getting it in on time like if we were in school. Okay, so I will be doing that. Also, all of your teachers are going to be doing Google Classroom or Google Hangouts. And we have a designated time to do that. So math is on Mondays. And so there's no moving it. It's kind of a fixed schedule. So all your teachers will be telling you that if they haven't already. So math is on Mondays. I'm not sure what time that will be, depending on if I have other meetings going on. I have a feeling, just have a feeling, that some of you have turned into quite the night owls, if you're anything like my own children. So my thinking was probably mid afternoon is when I'm going to start scheduling those, because I want to make sure that you guys are attending and we'll be um, things like that. So probably mid afternoon is when I'm going to start making those Google Hangout sessions. What else do I want to talk to you about? Okay. Um, Nice thing, I was able to go into the school building today and I was able to grab my dot camera. So what my hope is that I'm going to be able to, and I'm downloading software and all that kind of stuff on my computer right now, where I'm going to be able to actually virtually teach you, where you'll be able to see me and you'll be seeing me like write out our lessons. So it's kind of like I'm right in front of you. Um, and teaching you all at the same time. So that's kind of a cool little feature. So you will be able to see lots of screencasts like this that I'm going to be doing with you to help keep moving you forward, so you're not necessarily getting behind in math and you can hopefully be where you need to be by the end of the school year. All right. I think I pretty much said everything I needed to say. So just remember, please make sure that you guys are getting in your work to me no later than this Friday for quarter 3, so that I can get those grades in and get those posted. It is going to be a letter grade, just to let you know, for quarter 3. Quarter 4 will just be credit, that you got credit for that particular, doing your assignments, okay? So no grade necessarily for quarter 3, but it will determine, are you doing the work, or are you not doing the work, okay? All right. I hope all of you have a really great night, rest of your week, and I will see you guys on Monday. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I know, by the way, that the Jamboard was not working for some of you. My fault. I didn't have the settings right, so hopefully that's fixed. And I look forward to, I've been looking at some of your photos already that you've been putting in there. So make sure you post a picture and a caption of what you've been doing, because your classmates want to see you. I want to see you. Seems how we can't have a Google Hangout this week. Okay? All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.